Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some serious voodoo and turn your camera phone or any kind of a webcam or VCR or video camcorder into a sophisticated 3D image capture device. We can actually turn it into a 3D scanner and get some 3D models generated, and then we can make some video games. For this project, we will need the video camera tracker available on the Digilab website. So make sure and download that and unpack it and read the installation instructions. What we need for this is some video footage with the camera panning across the subject, like this. And this is going to be our 3D model. Once you've recorded your video and open it up in AVI Dmux 2, we can do some dramatic video editing. Dun dun dun! Just highlight the start and end frame using the A and B buttons down here, and then go and save as a selection of JPEG images. Give it a name, and it'll save a whole bunch of images there, and we can go and convert those to TGA so that they can be opened with Voodoo. Also need Mesa, the 32-bit version of Mesa if you have a 64-bit system. Mesa libglu.i586. And we also need Blender and AVI Dmux GTK. Just install those, and we'll be ready to proceed with the next part of the video. Now we got to convert all these images, these JPEG images, to TGA format. Now if you have a graphics editing program like GIMP or Photoshop, you can do it in there. Or you can use ImageMagick to do the same thing. And there's a program in ImageMagick called Convert, and it can convert one image format to another. And we can do that in a loop in Linux. So convert X into we're going to change the JPEG images to TGA, and there we go, all converted. Now we can actually load up Voodoo and as per the installation instructions, we need to export the bin path to the library there and run Voodoo. Now Voodoo is interesting. We can actually open the sequence of images that we created. And just choose the biggest TGA image in there, that one. And under Move Type, choose Free Move and click OK. Now in the Voodoo window, there's going to be some buttons down here at the bottom, and you can play the clip, or you can actually go over here and press the track button, and it will start converting this into a 3D image. You can see the progress. Once that's done, we can export this into Blender. Save as a Blender Python script. Give it a name like test. And just click OK. Now we're ready to load it up in Blender. Start Blender. go up and delete that center cube. Click down here with the right mouse button and split area. Choose the text editor and click the arrow. Go open new. And right here, choose that file we saved earlier, test.py, and Alt-P runs the script, and that prints out or puts these points to the screen. You can actually see a 3D image starting to form there. Now we can delete the vertices that we don't want by editing them, or we can just unselect them and press the space bar, add a UV sphere, and just move that back to where the face is. Right click on the face and rename it from point cloud to call it F for now. Right click on this ball. We're going to add a modifier to it. Choose the shrink wrap modifier, and under object type your F there, and choose the nearest vertex modifier. Now we can move this around and kind of fill out those points there with the sphere. Press the S key to scale it up to the right size, and just kind of choose choose it when it looks good. It's kind of there. That looks a little better. We're doing a low polygon to save time. Now choose the UV image editor. We're going to texture it. Open the image, choose the first one, and over here press the numpad 1 key, press the tab, and actually we'll hit apply on this thing, and then press the tab and press the U key and project from view. Press S, scale that down and transpose it over the face. And in this view here, choose textured and just kind of adjust that until it looks good. Now we can do some fancy stuff to the graphic. We can move it around. We can attach it to models. We can make it distorted in 3D. We can edit the mesh. We can ask ourselves, what would we look like with a really long nose? Have fun with that.